Tell me if this helps you at all, or especially Friday spring. Watch what I'm going to do before I even try to do this. See, I know my denominator is going to be the same as it is in the mixed number. And it's just 2 times 7 plus 1. 15. 5 times 11 is?
5.
Plus 4. 4 times 8 is? Plus 3. Have to do it that way by putting all the denominators first, but if you're struggling figuring out what the denominator is, it's always the same as it is in the mixed number. It never changes. Okay. Writing a division expression from a word problem. What divided by what? Phil, what do you got? I'm going to have 3 1/2 divided by 2 5/6. I'm going to have it the other way around. You got to think. What's getting split up? The walls or the paint? The paint's getting divided. Okay? That's the paint that's getting divided. The paint is getting divided. Alright, so we have, this 2 5/6 is being divvied up and divided into, wait, no, I have it reversed. The thing that's getting divided is the paint. Wait. I did have it right. 2 5/6 is being divided into 3. Right. Okay? That's the thing that's getting divided up and split up into 3 1/2 walls. Here's a wall, here's a wall, here's a wall, and I've got to split up 2 5/6 into these 3 1/2 walls, more or less. Okay? Hard part's done because now from here on out you keep change flip. Okay? But coming up with that word problem of what is divided by what is important, because if you have it reversed from the get-go, everything becomes wrong after that. How many what and what? Not that we need this right now, because it's just going to kind of get in the way, actually. Next year I'm going to take it out. But if you had a think statement, it's how many what and what. Viv. Which I would need if I'm doing a number line. I do want you to know C, though. Is your quotient, your answer, going to be greater than 1 or less than 1? And if so, how do you know? All right, Luke, go.
I said less than.
Why?
The number that we're divided by is greater than the number that is being divided.
All right, good. And I'm just going to reword it what he said. It is smaller number divided by larger number. Here are the steps again for change flip. I'm going to rewrite the original division expression. 2 5/6 is divided by 3 1/2. What do I do first? I'm going to call my man Ben. What do you do first, Ben? What do you get? 2 3 1/2, 2, Ben. For everybody, don't try to do change flip and improper fractions in the same step. It gets confusing. Okay? Take it step by step. Alright, Colin, what do I do next? that we keep. That's my change. Got it. Now I'm going to teach you something new. It's called cross-reducing. I call it the knockout game. What can we knock out? Well, this is what you do. You look at the numbers from across each other. A 17 and a 7, and you say to yourself, is there a number other than the number itself and 1? Is there another number that can go into both? No, they both happen to be prime numbers, okay? Unless one goes into the other. Nothing will go into 7 and 17 and 7. What about 2 and 6? What number goes into both? 2. And by the way, I want you to do it because I'm telling you, you'll get hung up. Once you have that number, hold it up. Everybody hold up 2 fingers. And say to yourself, 2 goes into 2 how many times? Once. You cross it out and you make a 1. Seeing 2, hold those same 2 fingers up. I know it's elementary, but it works. 2 goes into 6 how many times? Cross it out, make it a 3. Now, by doing it this way, what I call knocking those numbers out, if you do it, 99% of the time, you don't have to worry about reducing your fractions to the final answer. You may still have to change it back into a mixed number, but when you do that, you don't have to worry about reducing anymore because you took care of it in knockout. 17 times 1 is 3 times 7. 28 gallons of paint. What did we say? Did the product have to be greater than 1 or less? Greater than 1 or less than 1? It's 17 out of 21 less. Well, we look back and check. Let's do one more together and then I have to split you up again. All right. 3/5 is already a regular fraction. I'm just going to bring it down and keep this. However, I have a mixed number here, and I don't want to flip anything yet. All I want to do is take my 3 and 1/7 and change it to an improper fraction. Accelerate, do 3 and 1/7 improper. Over. Got it. Now I'm going to do my keep change flip. Okay? Take it step by step. Unless both of these numbers are both regular fractions and not improper, I want you to do mixed numbers into improper fractions before you do keep change flip. All right, next step. Keep change flip. Now I want to look and see, can I cross reduce? 3 and 22, will anything go into it? Looks like something can go into it, but it can't. 7 and 5. Nope, rattle up. But the good news is after we do it, the chances are 99% of the time we don't have to reduce it. 7 times 3, or 3 times 7. 5 times 22. Time. One more. Let's do number 2. Go across. 2 and 1/4 improper first. So. Yeah, don't try to do improper and keep change flipping the same step. What does 7/8 become? Can we knock something out? It's a juicy one. Ben. Okay, what number goes to both 4 and 8? Hold up 4 fingers. Trust me, do it this way. It's an Alessi thing. 4 goes into 4 how many times? 4 goes into 8 how many times? I call this a juicy knockout. You know why I call this a juicy knockout? So whenever you can make one of these numbers a 1, Sorry, that's a anytime you can make one of these numbers a 1, that's a juicy knockout. It's so much easier. Alright, 9 times 2 is... 9 times 2 is... 1 times 7 is... It's improper. I gotta change it back in. 7 goes into 18 how many times? How many left over? Again, if you take care of knockout here, you don't have to worry about it being done here. We are good. 2 and 4 sevenths. Now, the question everybody asks every year, do you have to knock out? The answer is, I want you to say yes. I want you to catch it. It's good practice for divisibility rules anyway. And it makes things easier. Really, seriously, I think I could pick a number that goes into both 4 and 8 as compared to, let's see what happens when I don't do it. I wind up with 72 over 28. It's so much harder. Now I gotta say, all right, 28 goes into 72 how many times? I gotta think about it. Okay, it goes in once or twice. Sorry, 56. Then you gotta do 56 minus 72. It gets convoluted. And then you gotta reduce it from there. You always want to make numbers as small as possible when you multiply. So practice it. Plus, it's fun. Okay? All right, Paul Rats. Paul Rats, that's a terrible expression. Advance. Go back into the hallway, work on your own. Everybody can stay in here that's in here. After you're done with this page, guys, if you're inside, check them in. 8 A's all done. Check.
Oh, I got it.
Check it. Wait a bit.
Can you cross the place?
Yes. Good question. You can cross reduce if there's 2 of them that go. You do 2 of them. Sometimes both cross products can be reduced.